glutamate is condiment and flavor enhancing agent, and is commonly used in the convenient of foodstuffs. And the flowchart is a flowchart of the production of the glutamic acid have been the microbial culture, which is converted to growth on seed, and the flask culture is converted to seed fermentation by sterile layer, then which is transported to the fermenter, which have a pH controlled medium and a sterile air water, then which pass to cell separation by the filtration by centrifugation, and it's a and anion exchanger, and evaporation and crystallization and drying the glutamic acid production. But in the fermentator is a buffer tank. The buffer tank have been occur. The buffer tank, which is a nutrient tank, sterilization have been occur, and the buffer tank which is used in the fermentator. This is a common amino acid and can be used to synthesize by the number of techniques such as hydrolysis of wheat, gluten, soybean, cake, or by the other protein-rich food component, which is used to protein component, and the cleavage of pyrroline carboxylic ring found in the stiffen and molasses, stiffens and molasses. And the one step, the fermentation process is used into single microbes, and the two steps the process is involved in the alpha keto glutaric acid by the formation and its conversion of the glutamic acid by an enzymatic process or is used to microbes. The microbe strains and the biosynthesis is very important in the case of the production of the glutamic acid. The glutamic acid can be synthesized from the wide species of the bacteria, the actinomycetes and fungi. The addition of the Corynebacterium glutamium is very important. The other different strains are used for the production of acids such as E. coli or Escherichia coli and Bacillus subtilis and cephalosporins and Salmocinematum and Bacterium alpha glutarium, Bacillus bacterium, Aerobacter clobactum, Pseudomonas fluorescein, Serratia marcins, Microbacterium species, etc. Glutamic acid is a gram-positive and a non-motile bacteria to strain. It's a mutant at the development and produced by high yield of acid. It's very important. The pathway for the synthesis of glutamic acid is from the glucose and the carbon source, which is broken down to it and fragments by the microbes through the imparted and the Meyerhof Parnas is very EMP is very important case, and the pathway and its pentose phosphate are the pathway. The precursor of glutamic acid is a alpha glutarate, which is formed in the tricarboxylic acid TCA cycle. Is very important. The citrate and isocitrate is a ketaglutarate and converted to L-glutamic acid through a reductive amination NH4. Next is inoculation production. The suitable strains of Corynebacterium glutamium is a stock culture which is used in inoculum in the development. The strain is inoculated and sterilized in the medium of incubator 35 degrees Celsius or 16 hours. Sufficient inoculum 6% can be developed and added. A final production of fermented. The general flow diagram for the production of L-glutamic acid is given. A general production is very important. The production of glutamic acid, the production medium is consisted of a carbon source, is a nitrogen source, and mineral is very important. The vitamins, and one of the production medium which is glutamic acid is containing K2H, P4, KH2, P4, MnSO4, 7H2O, FeSO4, 7H2O, urea, biotin is carbon source such as glutazolase, sucrose and fructose and maltose and sugar, and wheat molasses are the sugar cane, and molasses is commonly used in the fermentation. It's very important since the molasses have many high biotin content. The penicillin and our fatty acids as a derivative must be added to the fermentation. The glutamic acid is an intracellular component, hence the production is extraction is dependent upon the permeability of an acid. Production of bacteria can be increased by the growth under the biotin limiting and condition, addition of the penicillin and the saturated fatty acid, and use of the oleic acid and glycerol oxotrophs. Concentration of the ammonia is very important for converting the carbon source to glutamic acid. Is very important. Biotin is an important growth factor and an essential coenzyme. Coenzyme, which means responsible for the enzyme which is known as a fatty acid synthesis. In the addition of the penicillin, the logarithm of extraction of L-glutamic acid shows a process of typical and fermentation with the glucose as a carbon source. As a introduction of L-glutamic and C-glutamium using glucose, the carbon source is a flow diagram which is very important, which means comparing to the flow diagram which have been glucose is widely replaces to fermentation it rapidly cell dry weight which increases the fermentation component which is increases up to peak and then become constant then shows the glutamic acid which is fermentation time and the fermentation component which is increases up to a limit and alpha ketoglutarate acid which is comparatively increases but alpha ketoglutarate acid which is comparatively low in case of glucose and other glutamic acid and lactic acid which is increases the fermentation component and the fermentation time suddenly which decreases and alpha ketoglutarate acid is a cell glutamic acid which have been increases they have been one important thing is the cell dry weight which increases fermentation concentration which is increases with the increase in fermentation time and sudden up to a peak level or a constant level, not a peak, is a constant level, then a constant level in the case, and the oxidation concentration should be optimum for the production of the acid, and a high oxygen concentration inhibit the growth of the organism by the low concentration responsible to produce a lactic acid and succinic acid. Fermentation is carried out to 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. Very important in the case of the degree Celsius. 48 degree hours is very important. For the pH of the fermentation medium is adjusted with a 7 to 8. The fermentation and alpha ketoglutarate acid and converted to L-glutaric acid microbes of an enzyme. The cultural broth is containing the glutamate in the form of the ammonium salt glutamate and the monosodium glutamate is known as MSG is very important, which can be used to purified the passing through the MSG can be subjected to evaporated and crystallization. Very important the conversion of alpha glutamic acid into L-glutamic acid. Alpha ketoglutarate acid which is converted to glutamic acid dehydrogenase in the presence of L-glutamic acid which is obtained. So very in the case of the flow diagram is very important. In the case of the diagram the chemical reaction which is very important in the case of in the production of the glutamic acid.